Sarah and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am here with a review, demo, and first impressions on the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. This is what it looks like right here. I know it's not super new, I'm late to the game, but I still want to test it out for you guys. And if you guys want to see how to get this look and my thoughts, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as you guys see, I already have my eyelids ready to go and my eyebrows done like always. So let's go ahead and jump right into this palette. So this is what it looks like. It's the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. And then inside, this is what it looks like. It has a really nice size mirror, and then it has all of these shades. This, I believe, was $12. I'll leave the price right here for you guys, but it is such a gorgeous palette. I'm so excited for this. This isn't new or anything. I'm a little late to the game, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed this tutorial, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Going into this shade called Access, I'm applying that into my crease. Now going into the Morphe M504 brush with no color, I'm going to blend this out. Now going into the shade Secure. Taking that with that same Morphe M573 brush, I'm going to do the exact same thing. Back with that clean fluffy brush, I'm going to blend it all out. Now going into Top Secret. Taking that on my Morphe M506 brush, the pointed pencil brush, I'm going to apply this to the outer corner and a little bit into that crease. Now going in with a clean Morphe M441 brush, I'm going back in with that Secure shade, that orangey shade, and really making sure that this pops right above that green. So just reapplying it above. Going into the shade Coin, taking it on my finger, I'm going to apply it. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. So that's a plus because that is stunning. Oh my god, I love that. Now taking a flat brush just to carve it out and clean it up a bit. I'm going to be taking a makeup wipe and cleaning that up. So I'm just going to leave it, and now adding a thin line of liner. I'm taking the black MAC liner, you guys already know. For mascara, I'm going to be taking and trying out the Lancome Big is the New Black Mascara. At Ulta, I got this as my birthday gift, so we're going to be testing it out today. Let's try it out. we finished the eyes for now. I'm going to do my face off camera and then we'll come back and finish up the eyes. Okay guys, so that is it for the face. Everything that I use, I'll leave it down below for you guys, but I use it in every single video. So it's all of these same products, but I will leave it down below, of course. So let's go ahead and finish up these eyes. Taking that pointed pencil brush and going into that first shade that we used. And applying it from inner to outer corner. Then taking that second shade we used called Secure and doing the same thing. And then going back into that green shade and doing the same thing. Going in with that shade we used on our lid and applying it to the inner half. And last, just going in with some bottom mascara. That is for the eyes. I really love it. And now let's finish it off with a lip. So for lips, I'm going to be taking a Velvet Teddy by MAC. Such a pretty shade, but I feel like I always need a gloss, so I'm going to go in with MAC's Japanese Maple, just a little bit on the center of the lips. And yes, that is it with the completed look using the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe Armed and Gorgeous palette. And like I said, I really did enjoy the colors. I think it's absolutely amazing. I love this lid shade. It's like so gorgeous. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. And yes, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.